In a groundbreaking achievement, India has successfully demonstrated a 1,000-kilometer quantum communication network in less than 2 years under the National Quantum Mission, significantly outpacing the original 8-year 2,000-kilometer target. Developed using indigenous technology from QNU Labs, a startup nurtured by Mission, the deployment ranks among the longest quantum key distribution system worldwide, strengthening India's quantum-safe security infrastructure. Department of Science and Technology Dr. Abhay Karandikar described the achievement as a landmark achievement, noting that it surpasses early-stage expectation and puts India on track to achieve its target of 2,000-kilometer quantum communication network. The development is expected to strengthen India's secure communication capabilities across defense, financial system, and critical infrastructure. Additionally, the technology is designed to work across challenging terrains, including underwater and underground networks, expanding its potential civilian and strategic application. Bureau Report News.